How much does it cost to live in Wayne, New Jersey? The average list price in Wayne, New Jersey is $640,000. The average sales price in Wayne, New Jersey is $560,000. The average sales price to list price ratio is 103%. Now, what have I seen in the Wayne, New Jersey real estate market? Wayne, New Jersey is a big town. It's 25 square miles and the real estate market is hot. Homes are coming on the market and they are flying off the shelf. For example, this past weekend, my clients went to an open house that was about 2 hours long on a Saturday, and they sent me a picture of what it looked like outside. There was a long line, huge, with about 40 cars in the street all waiting to get into this open house. In Wayne, there are a lot of different neighborhoods because the town is so big. That's one of the things I personally like about Wayne is because you can buy a home in so many different price points. There's some homes in the $400,000 range, and then you could buy a home for over $1 million. That's a luxury home right on the lake. So there's so many options in Wayne that they give you when you're looking to buy or sell a home. It's a great town, but still competitive. If you're moving in or moving out of Wayne, New Jersey, you want to make sure you're working with a real estate professional who knows the real estate market and has experience in negotiation skills to help you succeed. Please share this video and make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.